guys, and welcome back to the kingdom. I hope you guys are having positive and productive weeks this week. This week I will be sharing with you guys how I did the sprayed edge on Blood and Honey by Shelby Mahurin. Now, for those of you who have been subscribed to my channel for a long time, you will probably remember that I did book art and sprayed edge art right back at the beginning, and Servant and Dove was one of the first books I ever shared with you guys. Now, this might be odd for a YouTuber to say, but I do not recommend that you go back and watch that video, and that is because my technique and my supplies and pretty much everything about the entire process is better now. I have refined it, I am so much more knowledgeable, and I don't do pretty much anything that I did in that original video. I don't recommend you do what I did in that video at home. I don't recommend that you watch it, and I don't really like the design at all, which means that I can go back and redo it at some point. In fact, I love this design so much that I might get the other two books in the series, obviously when God and Monsters comes out in September, and do them all with the same pattern but with different colours. So here's what I did for Blood and Honey. As you can see, I did this beautiful metallic shimmery gold background with red alternating serpents and doves all the way around. If you're interested in trying this at home, for me this was an ink project rather than a paint project, and I ended up using the Delicata Gold and the Versacolor Cardinal. You can get these in ink pads or ink stamps. However, I prefer to get the little re-inker bottles because that means that I can pour them out and use them more like paint. Okay, so without much more further ado, let's jump in the time lapse. This is the before, and this is the after. Okay, and here is another look. I love the final result of this design. I think it just makes this stand out so much on a bookshelf. So I am planning on getting the other 2 books in the series, Serpent and Dove, and then obviously when it comes out in September, Gods and Monsters, and changing up the colours but doing the same pattern on each of the edges. As you guys will know if you saw the Cursebreaker trilogy, I do love doing similar patterns with different colours in order to shake things up a little bit, but keep the thread of unity going throughout all 3 books. For Serpent and Dove, I'm thinking of doing a black background with gold serpents and doves, and for God and Monsters, maybe a white background with gold serpents and doves, or just gold backgrounds on all of them and then black, red and white. I'm not sure. If you guys have any suggestions, comment section down below is open. I always love a good discussion and colour suggestion with you guys. Other books that are coming up soon. Next week you will see how I did the sprayed edge on the 10,000 Doors of January by Alex E. Harrow. Other books that are coming up soon, you're going to get Kingdom of the Wicked, A Court of Frost and Starlight, Star Daughter, Shadow Scent. You're going to get the Hunting Prince Dracula books. Also, I've received a fantastic commission to do Realm Breaker. It's going to have sprayed edge, hardcover design and a reversible dust jacket. And I don't think I've shared with you guys how I create reversible dust jackets, but essentially I'll be taking the ordinary dust jacket that comes with the book and turning it into a reversible dust jacket, which I'm excited to share with you guys. As always, if you've liked this video, please thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment, all of those really good things. The engagement really helps. And as always, I hope you guys have positive and productive weeks, and I'll see you next time. Bye!